How's it going, guys? My name is Chad Garner, and this is another monthly update to tell you all about all the great things that are happening here at iGenius. First things first, guys, we made it official. iGenius officially launched in the month of July. When we launched this thing back in January, we considered it a pre-launch, and we wanted to, iron out all the kinks and really kind of perfect all the website and everything else. And so we are here. We officially launched the iGenius opportunity to the world and announced it to the world in the month of July. And guys, it could not be going any better than it's going. We are having tremendous growth all over the world in all different categories. The one that I'm the most excited about, guys, is our subscription revenue. So, we break our revenue into a couple of different buckets. There's enrollment revenue, there's upgrade revenue, but subscription revenue is just the people that paid us for their monthly membership. They weren't a new enrollment or they weren't somebody that upgraded their membership, just that. Well, that number in the month of July was 2 times bigger than it was just back in April. So what that means is the people that are enrolling, that are joining the platform, that are becoming members of iGenius, they're getting a ton of value out of the platform and they're sticking around because our subscription revenue continues to grow, and it just shows that people are getting massive value out of the platform, which I could not be more excited about. Guys, also in the month of July, our parent company, InvestView, released several different press releases and information to the public. I would invite you to go to investview.com and check all that out. The one thing I will point out is in one of the recent press releases, they announced that in the first quarter of 2021, which is technically the first quarter of 2022 for InvestView, but that's a little confusing. Bottom line is that they just announced that the top line gross revenue for 3 months, a quarter of the year, was $35 million. Guys, that's a pretty big number, and that's just 1/4 of the year, right? That just gives you an idea of how the success of all the different subsidiaries of InvestView are doing. In addition to that, they reported over $8 million in net income. Guys, go check out the press releases and learn all the awesome things happening at InvestView. And guys, the reason that's important, and we talk about this all the time, iGenius is a part of a publicly traded company, which means you can own and you can participate in the success of InvestView. So in a lot of times, entrepreneurs, they want to be a part of something that gives them some real nice return or some upside. And if you go build a team and you build a good team, you can participate in our bonus plan and you can make some money. But the cool thing is being a part of iGenius, which is a part of InvestView. You can own stock in InvestView and you can participate in the success of teams that are, in different countries, people you don't even know, as well as all the great things that are happening at all the different companies that are a part of the InvestView family of companies. So guys, go check it out, do your own due diligence. I'm not recommending that anybody purchase InvestView stock. I'm merely saying that you have the opportunity to own some of InvestView and own in the success of iGenius and all of its other sister companies which make part of InvestView. Guys, let's go into some of the great things that happened at iGenius. So one of the things we did is we wrapped up a couple of really cool incentive trips in the month of July. There was a bunch of people that won the island of Crete, in Greece, an incentive trip. So in September, we're gonna be going with a big group of people over to the island of Crete and spending some time with some of our top leaders, training and educating and also a little bit of rest and relaxation. So we're excited about that. We also gave away $50,000 worth of NDAO in the month of July to some of our top performers, those that are buying and selling NDAO packages. And then we launched the brand new Punta Cana incentive trip. We're going to Punta Cana next April, and we announced all the qualifications and all the things that you need to do to get on that trip. Top 75 people will be able to bring a guest and come to Punta Cana. It's going to be an absolute blast, 5-star resort. We just got back from Jamaica a few months ago. We love to travel as a part of this company. It's a part of our culture. We like to go see the world and do it together, and then obviously rub shoulders with like-minded individuals and do some training. Guys, we did some cool things to our public website. Go check it out. We added a new page called Events, where you can go learn about all the different events that are happening around the world at iGenius. And then we also are in the process of adding a page. Hopefully it'll be ready by the time this video comes out, but it is the testimonials page where you can go learn about people that are using our products and how these products are impacting their lives. All right, so now we got some of those housekeeping items out of the way. Let's talk about how our products performed in the month of July. Before we do, as always, I've got to lay down the disclaimers, right? Past performance does not guarantee future results. iGenius is not a registered investment advisor. We provide education only, and participation in the markets involves risk, right? And that includes the risk of losing the money invested, and people should never invest more than they are comfortable losing. Important to understand that, but let's jump in to talk about how our products have performed. So we have 3 education and research products, product categories, if you will. We have Forex Thrive that teaches people how to participate in the Forex markets. We have Equity Prime, gets people involved in the equities market. And then we have Crypto Core that gives people access to and involved in the cryptocurrency space. Well, those 3 product categories, again, have multiple different market experts and different channels that people can subscribe to and follow along with. And in those 3 channels, we sent out 193 alerts in the month of July, and 158 of those alerts were successful or profitable trade ideas. That's nearly an 82% success rate, guys, which just means that our product platform is providing really valuable, really good ideas, really good trade education and ideas for people to participate in the markets with. So big shout out to our market experts. Shout out to all of you that are learning and you're growing and really understanding how to put your money to work in the markets through those 3 different platforms. Guys, we have another product. It's a third-party product opportunity that we offer here at iGenius called Crypto Elite, powered by Endotech. This is a really cool product. It's artificial intelligence crypto trading software that can connect to your crypto exchange account and then execute trades on your behalf, but it's leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. Really cool deal, right? Well, we have people all over the world connected to these strategies, and the performance in July was fantastic. In fact, in July, we had a lot of people that expanded, they connected to different strategies. There's a lot of people that have now been connected to Endotech for a long time that are seeing the benefits of it, and they're starting to connect to more and more of these strategies because they are happy with the success. So I won't go into the performance today, but what I will do is encourage you to get with the person that shared this video with you, ask them how their Endotech strategies or how their Crypto Elite strategies are doing, and find out for yourself how our members are leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and access to this Endotech platform through iGenius to really grow their monies, put their monies to work in the cryptocurrency market, and really seeing some great results. So big shout out to our partners at Endotech for all the successful strategies that they offer to the iGenius members. Guys, our Learn Live platform is a platform where people can go and watch live education, learn from seasoned market experts how to view the markets and how to successfully participate in the markets. Well, we went through a complete overhaul from a user interface standpoint or look and feel. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out, and you'll see things are much more intuitive. You can actually find previous sessions and much easier, just a complete enhancement. So shout out to our technology team for the work they've done there. And then we also added, I think, over 35 brand new advanced videos to the university. With all of our different products, we always recommend people go to the university and learn first. Before they go out there and try to start trading, first learn and build a foundation understanding how to trade. And so in order to do that, you've got to spend a lot of time in that university. We've just added a bunch more content, great valuable education in the university. So those are just some of the major key highlights from the month of July. One last thing is on NDAO. So NDAO, for those that don't know, is a really cool opportunity that we have here at iGenius. Once again, a third-party product offering where our members are able to purchase NDAO. NDAO is the world's first adaptive digital currency. Really cool currency that is really starting to turn heads all over the world, listed on several different exchanges, and members of iGenius can purchase NDAO at preferred pricing, right? So we had mentioned earlier that we had a contest for people that are buying and selling it. They were able to earn some NDAO. Well, we have sold through another batch of our inventory, or another tranche of NDAO. And right now, as we speak on this video, there is a remaining like $2.5 million of a bonus allocation of NDAO that was given to our members to purchase at a very, very good price, right? A price that is a little bit below market price right now. And so if you're watching this video, if you're interested in learning more, then get with the person that shared this with you and find out about NDAO and see if it's something that you would want to be involved with. So guys, very excited about our products, excited about the platform, the progress that we've made. Shout out to the whole corporate team and everybody out there in the field sharing the message of iGenius with the world. Before we wrap this up, I just wanted to recognize a couple of individuals, some of our distributors that are out there. They are working hard, they're sacrificing, they're sharing the message of iGenius with people all over the world. One of those is a guy by the name of Anthony Napolitano. This is a 26, 27-year-old kid down there in Florida who, and I say kid, but in a very respectful way, just a young guy having tremendous success. He is the first person in our organization to reach the rank of legend, which is a very, very great accomplishment, which means he is leading by example. He is getting people, all over the world plugged into our platform successfully and teaching them how to also share this business with others. So big shout out to Anthony. We've had some awesome growth down there in South America, in Bolivia specifically. Just want to recognize Ana Sepulveda and also Fabiana Carrasco. Those guys are absolutely crushing it. Anna's our newest platinum ambassador, and Fabiana is a diamond ambassador. So big shout out to those guys. Those two ladies are leading in front, doing an awesome job of bringing the message of iGenius to South America, and especially even in Bolivia. And then guys, we've had some tremendous success in the Arabic markets. Just want to recognize and shout out Abdulaziz Al-Kantani, and then also Moada Omar. Moada is our newest diamond ambassador, and I know that Abdulaziz is already, he's already qualified for, or he's in the top 50 to qualify for the Punta Cana trip. So big shout out to those guys. Big shout out to all of our distributors all over the world. Obviously, I don't have time to recognize the individual efforts of everybody, but we certainly appreciate the hard work, the dedication from all of our distributors, and also just, we appreciate all of our customers, those that aren't choosing to share the business with others. We appreciate your loyalty and your membership and being a part of our community. Guys, we are 100% confident that our platform can change people's lives. If they plug into the education, the information, and the opportunities that we provide at iGenius, they can change their financial situation. They can put themselves on a path to financial freedom. It's definitely a marathon, it's not a sprint, but we absolutely provide the ideas, the opportunities, the tools to get people to a better place financially. And so if you are, if you watch this video, like I said many times, and you're interested in learning more, get with the person that shared this video with you guys, and we will see you on the next.